How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having a most wonderful day. No, I am. Rain is finally starting to taper off here in North Carolina. They said this weekend would probably be the last full forecast with rain involved in it. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday looks like it's going to be a beautiful day with temps in the low 80s, humidity down in the 75 to 80%. Right now it's 96% humidity. But that's not the reason for the video today. The reason for the video is I got a package today that I am hoping will actually help my videos. And let me get you over on this and we'll talk about it in just a second. Now my usual, I'm going to switch audio, so bear with me. My usual audio consists of this stupid thing, which GoPro thought was a great idea for some reason. But then you have to have a mic. So I had to buy a lapel mic because at the time nobody really had anything for the GoPro setup. And still, this is basically what you get. But this is what I use most of the time: the GoPro, the mic adapter, and a lapel mic. Well, this is a non-stereo lapel mic, and I don't know, it's done a good job, but if you talk in too loud or the noise is too loud, it gets kind of staticky. And you have an on-off switch right here. But as you can see, that's what I have. That's what I use for most of my videos. Sometimes I'll hook the lapel mic up to the cell phone, and sometimes I won't. Let me switch it back over now. And see, now we're back on the lapel mic. We're back on this. But you know, you can set it down. It picks up fairly well, you know, as long as it's average voice levels and everything. But I've been wanting to switch over. I don't really want the big Rode mic on top because, I mean, come on, it's just like this adapter. It's too big. It looks way out of proportion, and that's not why we buy these GoPros. You know, it's just not why we do it. So I actually found a video on YouTube talking about a Saramonic mic, and well, that's what's supposed to be in this. So let's cut it up and see. Yep. It's a Saramonic SR-XM1. There's really not much to it. All it is a small omnidirectional mic and the cover. This is what you get. These I've seen, they range 60 to 80 bucks depending on where you get them or where you're looking for them at. Like I said, it's omnidirectional. You can rotate it. And it's supposed to be an omnidirectional mic. So like if I've got the GoPro mounted to the, if I'm sitting there talking to you like I am now, I'll have the mic turned toward me, of course. But if I'm going down the road or something and I want you to still hear me, I can then flip the mic over for rearward facing, which should help. So let's get this plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wind doohickey thing on there. Like I said, there's not much to it. I want to be real careful not to tear this. And we'll see if this is actually going to help, if you can notice a difference, if it's even worth the money. I actually found this one on eBay for 20 bucks, believe it or not. So you might hear a little noise here in just a second. I'm going to turn that mic off, my lapel mic, and then I'm going to turn this one on, and plug it in. There's no on off. I mean, this is all you get. But I'm going to turn that one off, unplug it, so you'll probably hear me fumbling around with it, and then I'm going to plug this one back in, and let's see if it makes a difference. I'm going to talk just like my normal voice, like I am now, and let's see if there's any kind of difference in the audio quality. And then I'm going to try the same thing on the cell phone to see if it works with the cell phone too. So here we go. Alright, got her all plugged in. Can you tell a difference in the audio quality? I mean, is it even working? I don't know. You know how these things are when you buy them off eBay. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But can you tell a difference? I'm talking in my same tone of voice as I was with the lapel mic. And the wind is starting to blow, so can you hear the noise? I don't know. Alright, now I've got the lapel mic hooked back up because this is just a test to see if this actually works and everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to hook this up to my phone and see how it sounds. So bear with me. I'm going to turn this one back off. First, let me get it going. There we go. We are now recording again. I am still talking in my normal voice, and let's go ahead and get this turned off. But as you can see, if this is actually working, I don't know. It might not be working. We'll find out when I go to do the edit. But as you can see, every time you go to move this thing, it wants to get tangled up. Whenever you pull it out of the drawer or anywhere, your bag, it's always matted up. This always wants to get hung on everything. It gets wrapped around everything, as you can see. And this is just really cumbersome. So again, we're back on the lapel mic. What do you guys think? Like I said, this is just a test. I won't know how it's actually working until I get in and do the edit on the computer. It might be working, it might not be. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Again, I'm gonna plug this back in and see what it sounds like, just for audio purposes. And then I'm gonna turn you away, and then I'll readjust the microphone to where it's picking up from behind, so you'll see the difference, okay? So I'm gonna put this back on, and you'll be seeing all this in the video. There's no tomfoolery. But I'm gonna get this back on. Come on, press it twice, suppose. Come on, there we go. All right, microphone back off. Unplug it. Sorry about that noise, but I'm trying to keep you to where you can see. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Oh well, let's just one-hand it. But as you can see, this is what you have to deal with. Alright, got it hooked back up. As you can see, I have it facing forward toward me. And as I do this, I'll be swapping between the audio, okay? But what my plans are is to take this and actually, let me show you. Hold on. As you can see, the plug can go out the bottom or over top. So my plans are is to take this and mount it right here. And see, that still doesn't look great, but at least it's better than what I had, right? I don't have that long cord. I'm now free to move about the car if this microphone is actually working, which I think it is, but I'll find out later. But I will not zip tie, I will Velcro this to this position right here. And then like I said, as I take let me turn you around. As I work with it, like if I mount it in the car, I want to turn the camera around. Well, this is how it sounds with it facing away from me. And then if I reach up and turn the microphone around, this is how the microphone sounds facing toward me. So, you know, it's real simple, real easy to do, depending on what I'm using it for and all that good stuff. But this is just to see if this is going to actually help my audio, hurt the audio, if it was worth the investment or whatever. Turn you back around. But like I said, this is, you know, I get a lot of complaints about the audio, and I know the audio sucks. This thing is really aggravating, but it's all I had. You know, this is like 15 bucks at Radio Shack when I first bought it. And because nobody really had anything to work with that stupid audio adapter. Okay. So now we're working on this, trying to see how it's going to do on my 7D. See if it actually helps the audio quality on it, because you just never really know. Sitting here working on the video that I'm making now, and I will add this to the end. But by all added so far, it seems like it's going to work pretty good. I don't know how it's going to work on the 7D, but on the GoPro, and especially on the phone, it works really good. See, watch. Where's the one where I get on the phone? Well, here. Alright, now I've got the lapel mic hooked back up, because this is just a test to see if this actually... How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having an average voice levels and everything. But I've been wanting to switch over a video for rear reflection. Turn this one on, just like I am now. But it sounds excellent on the GoPro. Alright, got her all plugged in. Can you tell a difference in the audio quality? I mean, is it even working? I don't know. Coming out of both channels too, stereo. I'm off eBay, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But can you tell a difference? I'm talking in my same tone of voice as I was with the lapel mic. And the wind is starting to blow, so can you hear the noise? I don't know. So with all that said and done, 20 bucks for that kind of audio quality upgrade? Heck yeah! By all means, I recommend it. You guys get one. But hopefully this works. What do you guys think? If you like this video, by all means, give it a thumbs up. I'll put a link to this microphone if it works out really good in the description below, so that if you have a GoPro, you too can check into it if you think it's something that you would like. And that's about all I have for this video. You know, we always look for things to make our videos better, our audio better, and with GoPro, it's an ongoing struggle. I really want to get me one of the Canon G7X version 2s, Mark 2s, but my GoPro's been right there by my side the whole time ever since I really started this Camaro Time channel. So with that said, and without further ado, we'll go ahead and end this. You guys take care. Leave some comments below to let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.